Hey guys, today we're about to go visit one of our valued customers' workshop. Come with me and stay with me to check out what it's like.
R1 Welding. We pretty much do anything and everything. We're not catered to like one industry. For a certain amount of product, like railings, only do railings. Lighting does lighting, furniture does furniture. With my background over 30 years, being around the industry, different industries, and my millwright background, I pretty much do anything and everything. Why I'm not out of work. I'm always busy. If you take a look behind you, this is where a lot of my customer comes into. This is a large production for deploy and ACMs machines for plastic. That is 231 Slim. I got it after my down, but it's actually better because I got all the accessories. The feed is so phenomenally smooth. And then I also have the 301 Gold, which is the bigger machine. This is the 301 here. My God, I love this thing so much. I actually can't say enough about it. The production, since I got both these machines, is like shot through the roof, probably 3 times. But I've been using for the last 30 years. Canaweld is, I have to say, a little bit better than actually happy. A couple of my guys used it before and they like it too. So they can see and feel the difference as well, especially when I work. Everything's much more smooth and much more faster. Recommend, and I have been recommending. People are just too stuck on the link brand their whole life, like myself, how I was. But now, definitely recommend the Canaweld. Yeah, I mean, because like both my businesses, I have the R1 Welding and I have the R1 Sports. The R1 Sports started 2000, within the R1 Welding, I started building hangman stands and boxing rings. The rings and the stands kept evolving, just going on with customers' requests. But now I officially launched the R1 Sports, where I'm doing the rings with my own ring accessory coverings, like the mats, the robes, and stuff like that. So that too is growing along with demand across Canada, which I'm now shipping nationwide. So.
On one amazing customer each week. As a proudly cleaning company, we believe that together we can build a brighter future for Canada.